We're going to go to Joe now. Joe has got a question for you, Matthew, on line one. Joe, good evening. What can we help you with?
Hey, Joe.
My question is tonight is I had 4 brand new tires installed on my car, and 2 weeks later I had a blowout and had a wreck. Is the tire manufacturer responsible for that, or the company that put the tires on, or my insurance company?
Man, great question,
Wow,
Joe.
no kidding. Boy, shades of kind of 15 years ago.
Yeah.
You know, I've done this a while, as Kenny mentioned earlier. There was a significant litigation about 15 years ago involving the Ford Motor Company involving defective tires. Okay,
Right.
there was a big class action. It was anyway. They had a lot of tires on the road that were defective, causing blowouts when they shouldn't. A lot of people were hurt. Those cases were mostly resolved. So first thing, Joe, hard to say. So there are experts, there are folks out there that will look at those things. First we have to determine why your tires blow out. Sometimes wear and tear, age, mileage, that kind of thing, but maybe not. Maybe there was a defect. So it can be a defect in design. It can be a defect in manufacturing. But I'm not qualified to do that. You may be, I'm not. So what happens is we have experts, engineers typically, that'll come in, analyze a tire, and they'll explain what happened. And then with that, you kind of go forward. If it is a defect, someone did something wrong, made a mistake, well, then you can hold them responsible. And you kind of go up the line. Or was it the folks that installed the tire?
Sure.
It depends on what the engineers say. And then lastly, if everything was done, it was just an accident, just act of God, which seems odd for at a time, the insurance company will pay your property claim. So,
so Joe here, keep that tire? It sounds like he needs to hold on to that.
Hold all the tires. Okay. Absolutely. And keep all the tires. Call someone quickly, because these experts are not sitting around.
Yeah, right.
You can't find them on the local corner. They have to drive in or fly in,
right,
very expensively. Anyway, so absolutely keep your tires. Call someone as soon as you can. Make an appointment. Take a lot of photos. I love photos. Take as many photos and videos as much as you can, and then that's where we start. And let's find out what happened.
Matthew, it sounds like the insurance side he could probably do himself or get that started at least. But
yeah,
tire investigations and engineers look like that. You've got to bring in some legal help.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
And let me just this kind of hitches another little topic we don't address often. Is that so much of what we do in our side of the fence is we try to figure out what happened. People come to me all the time and said, we don't know what happened. We have a bad result. Something nothing good happened. But why did it happen?
Right.
And we spend a lot of time figuring out the why. And sometimes there are folks responsible, and then sometimes they're not. It's just part of it. We do it. Everyone that does our side kind of does it, but we do a lot of this kind of thing. We give people answers, or try to.
All right, Joe. Thank you so much for the call tonight. Really do appreciate it.